everyone, it's Amy. This video will be a watch me work of these super cute cactus nails. Okay, gold, and then this one was the cactus.
What are your mom's talking about? She sounds intense.
Just work, drama, the usual.
Per usual.
Per usual.
I'm very excited for this pink. See, I got a little bit of white, I got the gold, and I got a pink. Wow.
We got it all in one.
What a win-win. And I'm very excited for the cactuses.
They're gonna be super cute.
Super cute. Do you want to see a picture for when you do the cactuses, or you got
I'll
it?
bring up my phone.
Great.
Okay, pop those in real quick. Let's see, the gold is on the ring.
Yeah. Imagine.
If I did it backwards, it would have been okay for me, but Ashley would be like, oh, not having it.
Just like one of my little babies, Alana, was like, this finger, then this finger, then that one, then like...
Girl, no.
I used to do that when I was younger, like the alternating colors. But now I like simple but design, but everything has to be the same.
We have to match. For once, my nails are matching.
I know. What life are you living?
I don't even know.
Are you living
Even my
right?
mom was like, why are you
What is going
matching?
on?
Okay, switch hands.
Okay.
We're gonna go in with the pink.
Yeah.
First time using it.
I'm very excited.
It's gonna be so bright and so wonderful.
Ooh, this is gonna look really cool in blacklight yoga.
You're gonna have to send me a picture,
Okay,
like.
well, yesterday when I went, my nails weren't doing it, but I don't know if it's because, I don't know, the white. It's very strange sometimes, the black light in there. Like, my blue towel was lighting up. And it was like a light blue, so sometimes it's funny.
Look at that pink.
Ooh, that is fun.
It looks nice in your skin tone.
Yeah, I knew it would.
You really knew.
I knew. Yeah, I wanted something bright for this summer, this one.
I like how this was not at all what we had thought we were gonna do.
Not at all. I don't even know, how did I even come up with cactuses? Who knows?
You were looking.
Oh, I think I was looking and I think I saw one.
Yeah,
And
you
I
just
was
came
like-
up.
I was like, let's look up the other ones in this one. This is the one that I found.
Okay, put that on hand. Wow. So wow.
Wow. That's how you know. Wow. When the glitter comes out, oh, shmee. Oh my gosh.
Let's see. Did we? Because we didn't do it on this last one. Did we do it on the one before?
Do what?
The gold holographic.
We did on the one before. Because I just love it that much.
Because that was the teal one, right?
Yeah. I just love that gold holographic glitters. Like that much. Like if I could get away with doing it maybe with every nail set, it might be a thing. But we know, variety. Excuse me, sorry.
Bless you.
I'm just sneezing big today.
Like those last ones we did were definitely different.
That's what everyone keeps saying. But I thought they were also kind of me too.
They
I don't
were.
know.
They grew on me. Like at first I was like,
Yeah, at first I know you would have picked to switch where we had put the roses and stuff, you know what I mean? Like,
yeah.
the finger situation, and like I would have been fine with that too. Well, when I showed my mom goes, yeah, I don't think those are very you. She's like,
Really?
they're too dramatic.
They're not. They weren't dramatic.
Mom. Switch.
No. Wait for the light to turn off.
I was like, whatever, Mom. It's not true. Could you get the little side guy on that?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, great. Great. Sometimes my nails are a lot hot because they curve, you know?
I know. Mine are super curvy too.
Yeah.
So now that I'll rush on my nails because I just want to get them done, and I go back. I'm like, wow, I missed the whole side.
You're like, how did that happen?
Right.
This is gonna be fun. Wow.
Is I really like it a lot.
I know, me too.
It's already a thing. Don't touch them.
Okay,
Don't.
you're right, Not a while. Did you notice that my hair is getting longer?
It is. I was gonna say, did you notice my hair is getting longer too? But I warm it up.
I can't tell.
You can't tell.
And I'm gonna straighten my hair next Friday for that wedding, and I'm really excited because I haven't straightened my hair in like months.
Since I cut it, right? Was that the last time, or did you do it again?
It might be. I don't even remember when that was. When did you cut my hair last?
It's been a while, hasn't it?
It's been a while. Oops. Also, we really need you to cut my hair.
I bet it's long.
It's like not that long, but it's starting to get longer.
What did I do with the glitter? I lost the glitter.
Oh, sorry. Cheers in the background. Oh, I just love this glitter so much. Where'd you even buy this glitter?
Online.
Great.
And then I found that other pack at the store.
Yeah, I love those ones too. The Martha Stewart ones or whatever ones?
No, like the one that's got the whole pack of holographic glitter with the different colors.
Oh, yes, yes.
Trying to make them as flat as possible. Wow. Okay, let me move this. Okay, don't knock that over, please, and thank you.
Thanks in advance.
Oh, stay still. We almost had a casualty. Again. Yeah, you better be careful putting it into the lamp this time. Remember last time you scraped it all over?
Oh, right.
Okay, so halfway through filming that design of the cactus, I realized I wasn't recording. I'm going to go ahead and come in on my little practice finger here. I already have it cured white, and I'm going to show you how I did that design. So we have it on camera. Let me zoom in here. So I'm going to be taking my dotting tool, this one just the pointed end. I'm going to take the green, which is Lost in the Woods from Madam Glam. I'm going to take in that same pink I was doing, which is Pajama Party. I'm just going to take a little bit on my palette here. So I went in first to do the cacti pattern. It's really simple and easy to draw. Just create a straight line, and then you do two like arms coming out on either side. Alright, so once I find that I like how it's staggered on the nail, I go ahead and flash cure it. And just for a few seconds, just so that way we don't smudge the cacti when putting the flowers on it. I'm just going to go ahead and clean off my dotting tool with my little lint-free wipe here. Okay, so I flash cured it for about 10 seconds there. I'm going to go in with my same, the small end, the dotting tool, and Pajama Party. I'm going to create flowers on some of the cacti. And so you don't want to do them on all of the branches, just on a few. What I did is I kind of created 2 dots on either side, and then went up just like that. Again, really simple, really easy to do. I think I did catch some of the flowers on camera. I feel like that's pretty good. You don't want to overdo it with the flowers. So that's what it looks like. The cacti and the little flowers. Again, super easy. All I used was my tiny little dotting tool. So go ahead and cure this for the full 2 minutes in the UV lamp, and then I top coated the nails. Okay, it's recording now. Maybe we'll just, I'll check.
Okay.
We might have just not filmed any of that.
Oh, that's great.
Fabulous.
Weren't you touching it earlier? Did you turn it off? Like turn off the recording?
I turned it off recording earlier, yeah. Okay, switch.
Wow, that's so cute.
Oh, those are super cute.
I'm dying.
Dead.
These are so cute.
Okay, yeah, move those out of the way. We don't want to buff the cacti off.
Oh no, oh no.
Okay, good. So that method worked. Putting the other gel on. Yeah, well that was a top coat.
The gel.
Yeah.
Right, you're right. You know what you're talking about.
I know what I mean.
You know what you mean, girl.
Okay, let me see the other one. Oh. Okay.
Sorry.
Someone's texting.
No, I haven't. Actually, my phone has been very dead lately. You're the only one who texts me.
Well, you're the only one who texts
doesn't
me.
even get back to me for a while anymore.
What does she do all day? Is she working?
She's working, yeah. She's
Okay.
at UNM. They work like 8 a.m. till like 11 p.m.
What?
Yeah, Monday through Wednesday, basically.
Okay, let me spray them again. Okay. I don't want to spray.
Well, dang.
He's real saying something.
It's like a beaver thing. Do you need help?
Are you
Do
SOSing?
you need assistance? Meow 2 times if you need help.
Oh, putting the top coat on top of after like filing it.
I know, it's crazy.
So pretty.
Okay, Timmy, we hear you.
We get it.
Yes. Mm-hmm.
how those came out since I didn't record earlier. That's the picture we went off of. Let me see him again. I'm gonna zoom in on these. Oh, I love these ones.
Mm-hmm. These ones are fun.
You agree?
They're like perfect summer, you know?
They are.